Hello everyone, how are you today? Here we have some funniest cats and dogs videos for you guys. Let's get it on! Oh, why is it so slippery? I can't stop! This is making me dizzy to the point of passing out. I want to take a nap on this door. I like this bed. How about you? Return to your home. Oh, human food. I hate them. Oh, I really hate this smell. Damn, my large stomach stopped me. Is that me? It's a real slacker. Super cats are real. I am a statue. I can't move. This is how my cat wake up. There is a significant difference between training and actual combat. Can I have a bite, please? Game that rotates. I'm hoping he doesn't get dizzy. It's train. Why can't I get up there? What happened to it? And it's time to say goodbye. We hope that you remember to give us a like. So just have a great day and see you soon.